You could start and see what you get.
Coin. Architecture. See article History. Coin in Western architecture, both the external angle or corner of a building and, more often, one of the stones used to form that angle. These cornerstones are both decorative and structural, since they usually differ in jointing, color, texture, or size from the masonry of the adjoining walls. Most frequently, coins are toothed, set in a regular pattern of alternating lengths.
Such toothed construction was
used at external corners of brick or stone buildings in ancient Rome. In 17th century France, coins were heavily rusticated, their surfaces roughened and their joints recessed. Similar treatment was used around wall openings, windows, doorways, and arches.
Occasionally, coins are dressed, smooth stones to contrast with walls of rough rubble masonry. They may also be of massive size, as in some Italian Renaissance palaces. Coins in some brick buildings are covered with plaster, which accounts for the sharp contrast.
So what I'm about to do is put an image of a cyclist onto the corner with some text. Do you want more? Okay. So the cyclist is going around the corner, and this is how to corner on a bicycle, or how the professionals should do it. So we've got some text, but also the text is, I would say, a little bit somehow could be appropriate for other things as well, but I'll leave that up to people to judge how appropriate that is for what they think about, going around a corner, or maybe a little bit ambiguous as well. It's called finding the apex. So the apex is how you should take a corner with the cleanest line and the fastest line. And that's it, yeah. Oh, materials. I'm going to do it in graphite. Because I wanted the idea of drawing with the drawing material. So even though the text could be in pen or paint, I wanted to put it into graphite, so you have this kind of sheen, this quality of drawing. And also the idea is this is going to be the first piece from the experimental drawing lab, which is being developed at the moment. No, I'll finish now.
So, what do you think you shouldn't do after kind of looking at the text?
That's not for me to say. That's for people to find their own meaning from it, I think.
So that's where the ambiguity kicks in.
Exactly. Yeah.
Thanks.
Thanks, Alex.